As interpreters, our work brings us face to face with humanity's pain daily. The grief of a family receiving difficult news. The frustration of injustice. The ache of exclusion. It's only natural we develop ways to protect ourselves. We minimize our reactions, put up emotional barriers, and power through. But while this armor shields us temporarily, it cuts us off from empathy in the long run. When we deny our hurt, we become desensitized to others. Their sorrow stops resonating with us as it once did. Compassion runs dry. But by daring to get vulnerable with our coworkers and the deaf community, to name when situations affect us, something changes. The armor cracks, and light gets in. We regain that emotional oxygen needed to feel deeply again. To tap into the collective heart that understands suffering transcends circumstance. That knows, we all walk this path together. Part of our role is holding hope, even when all seems lost. But hope shines brighter when built on the real shared experience of pain, not avoidance. So next time your heart hurts, remember, this is how we stay human and keep extending compassion by fully feeling our humanity and recognizing it in others.